You know, a question often asked is, why should I use a realtor where I can find everything online? Years ago, we were the gatekeepers of all the information. Now you have the internet and you look up everything, right? A couple things you can expect from a good realtor is nuances. The internet sucks at providing those. Neighborhood nuances, especially in certain marketplaces. Think of Southern California, when you have a small lot next to a big lot, next to a view, against a non-view, against a 50-year-old home, next to a 10-year-old home, next to a 2-year-old home. These nuances, the internet just can't figure that out. Having someone that knows what's going on in that neighborhood is critical. The other thing I see happen is the options that are out there, from finance options, different neighborhood options of where you want to go, or the different options of where to find homes that are for sale. And that takes us to the third, which is inside information. Not everything makes it to the internet, especially off-market sales that are happening in certain neighborhoods where you'll see 20, 30% of the homes sell off-market. So getting access to that inside information can be really helpful when making a big decision, especially in real estate. Matter of fact, if you want access to our secret seller map, just type SSM in the comments below. And no, I didn't say S&M, SSM, please. Thank you.